In this video, we are going to tell you about the Dungeon Channel Indicator. It is located in the Indicators tab. Just like the Bollinger Bands, the Dungeon Channel consists of three curved lines. The outer, which is the upper and lower lines, are formed by the maximum and minimum price level, and the center line is the middle of the channel. By default, the moving average period is set to 20. This is the proposed MA period, which was set by the indicator creator Richard Dungeon. Let's see how the Dungeon Channel works. Firstly, like the Bollinger Bands, the Dungeon Channel shows the direction of the trend. If the bands of the channel are directed upwards, the trend is bullish, and if the bands are directed downwards, the trend is bearish. Secondly, the Dungeon Channel is an indicator that measures market mobility or volatility. If the Dungeon Channel is becoming more narrow, means that the market is calming. On the contrary, if the indicator channel is expanding, means that the market is active and therefore more volatile. We get a signal to enter a position when the price breaks the previous maximum or minimum of the channel. If the price breaks through the maximum or upper Dungeon line, we get a signal to enter a buy position. Likewise, if the price breaks through the minimum or lower Dungeon line, we get a signal to enter a sell position. Please note that a break through the upper or lower Dungeon channel lines by itself does not provide enough information to enter a trade. In order to validate the signal, it is necessary to use additional indicators. In order to get more in-depth information on indicators, we recommend for you to watch our masterclasses and other educational materials.